Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is not going to be a vlog video but a sit down conversation with you guys. Welcome to Candid Shots with Arushi, Zindagi Nama Part 1. Honestly अगर मैं आपको पूछूं आपका current mood कैसा है considering lockdown है, you probably would say you have no specific mood, you're feeling numb today, कभी गुस्सा हो जाते हो, कभी sad हो जाते हो. You can just cry at a drop of a hat and basically if I ask you properly, you cannot define your mood. यार कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि just run away from everything. Sometimes we feel just stay in bed and not get up. And sometimes we even wish कि यार somebody just picked up the call and said, hey, how are you? And just checked up on us. And the most common answer that I get nowadays is I just don't know how I feel yaar. Even if we have the best job, the most loving parents, the most loving family around, the most loving friends, basically सब कुछ है जो एक perfect life के लिए चाहिए. But still ऐसे लगता है ना कि something is wrong and you don't feel okay. And trust me, it's okay to not be okay. लोग बोलेंगे कि यार it's all in your head, just a phase निकल जाएगा. But I think it's something more than that. A similar situation can go on with a lot of us actually seeing this video today and also me who's actually speaking to you. और मेरा एक दोस्त है who is actually an office colleague and turns out to be a really great friend of mine who had been through some of these issues in the past and has dealt with it in a very brave way and has come a long way. So I thought I'll give him a call today and I'll speak to him about how he actually dealt with it and something that actually can help all of us here. If this interests you, keep on watching till the end of the video because the only one thing that I want to say is you're not the only person who's going through this. You, me, and a lot of people are going through this in the current pandemic situation, and it's okay. We're all in this together. So let's begin with the first episode. It's okay to not be okay. So hi Shri and welcome to my channel. Actually, I called Shri to talk on this topic and to talk with us is because randomly एक बार ऑफिस में ऐसा हुआ था कि हम छत पे कॉन्वर्जेशन ऐसे जो जैसे ही स्ट्राइक हो गया and then we started talking about how things like mental health and depression has affected us. We have sought help. Therapist हो या friends हो कुछ भी हो we have and not many people actually consider this as something that needs to be given attention to or ऐसे it's in your head हो जाएगा type. And one more reason why I called him here is because he's a very very wonderful human being and I've always said that. So so Shri, over to you. A quick introduction about yourself.
For my background, my name is Srirang and I work as a purchasing specialist in GEP. We actually work in same organization. Yeah. So, and I'm from Nagpur and I currently live in Thane. So yeah, that's about it. What is up?
पहले तो घर पे बैठ के दिमाग पूरा फ्राई हो चुका है नेक्स्ट लेवल वाला. एवरी टाइम देयर इज एन एक्सटेंशन ईमेल कि नाउ और एक्सटेंड हो रहा है लॉकडाउन और एक्सटेंड हो रहा है से आई नीड टू गेट आउट एंड आई एम मतलब अभी मूड स्विंग्स तो मेरे नेक्स्ट लेवल हो गए. एवरी 15 days I have a break.
Tell you I think everybody right now is feeling that mood swing, tantrum, and breakdown. Is we need to take care of ourselves, our parents, and we have to be grateful and look on the bright side that we are, grateful about that we are with our loved ones, and that should be enough for us to get out of that place wherein we are feeling sad or we are feeling.
Honestly, there are situations like in my case, I can tell you. There is nothing wrong with my job. Job is doing good. But there are a lot of friends who actually love me. ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग नहीं हैं. Friends हैं, family बहुत loving है, सब कुछ loving है, सब there's no problem. But still there is something. Still feel very cranky and mood swings next level. There are times where I want to shut the world. I don't feel like talking to anybody. और कभी कभी ना समझ नहीं आता कि चीज़ें सब ठीक है तो ये फीलिंग ही क्यों आती है. Why is there feeling कि I am not good enough or probably I don't feel like talking to anybody. And if I talk to my parents about it, the only answer that I get from them is it's in your head. So is that something that you have been gone through or?
I would say yes. It is something I have gone through, and that is because one thing I have realized is there is a pressure, different pressure of comparing ourselves with someone. There is a race we have against us, and we want to achieve that. We want to think that we are on this place, and if we are not, we start thinking that we are not good enough or we are very slow. it leads to a bigger self doubt each day. We feel that way कि यार नहीं मेरे को नहीं करने का है आज कुछ भी, मेरे को इससे बात नहीं करने का है, मेरे को say I don't want to eat something like that. That is what is gonna hurt you more or gonna put you in more worse situation. So instead, do something which can take off your focus. Eat something what you like, whatever. Cook if you wanna, if you have that interest. Cook. Any of hobbies you can always rely on. Shifts my focus from negative to something happening around. I have seen my friends telling me it is in your head. I have seen my parents telling me it is in your head. Just ignore, but don't ignore. We have to find a way to deal with it. That's what my learning is.
So there are two situations. Both are on our ends have been two different things. I have visited a therapist, and same reason. When I visited a therapist, like I didn't have a lot of sessions, only 3 sessions. We always have this point ना कि ये इंसान हमें जज करेगा, वो इंसान हमें जज करेगा, and मुझे मेरे थेरेपिस्ट के साथ भी होने लगा कि अरे will she judge me? और ऐसा नहीं था, बट मेरे माइंड में इतना वो चीज़ हो गया था कि that somebody will judge me, कि I couldn't open in front of her. But there's one thing that I learned from her is मतलब मेरे में जो इशू था, why all of this happening is because I strongly lack self-love. One point which I took from that therapy sessions, you also did have therapy sessions and you said कि it has helped you. What would you advise कि therapy लेना why is it important? Is it important?
So guys, you must be having a vehicle at your place, right? A two-wheeler or a car, and you always give your vehicle maintenance, right? Like after 2 months, 3 months. That's what came in my mind, and I was like, "Yeah, I need to just once go to a doctor and see what they have to tell, or what happens if I choose this as an option." What is therapy? Therapy is actually knowing your brain, becoming friends with your brain. You actually get anxious and you feel what is happening. There is no control on my thoughts, or I am feeling very threatened from the environment around, people around me. Maybe it may be friends, it may be family. But your brain is on some other page. He has decoded the whole few incidents which have happened in past, and that is why he is responding to this particular environment right now in this. So ऐसी काफी चीजें हैं जो अपने को नहीं पता. Legit doctors, they are about your brain. They can tell you what you are and why you are the way you are. Your personality has shaped, and this is how it's gonna be. And how, if you want to change, how can you work on it, or if you want to continue, how it is good for you and all that. This person here inside this is amazing. It's a whole different thing. I learned about it. And I was like, man, this is so good to even understand. You get to know why you are the way you are. You get to know why are you so outspoken. If you want to, there are people like I have become that way now. So why your personality is that open? Why your personality is that close? Why you feel scared about situations? Happens with me. I get scared a lot. For that, I think therapy is best.
Therapy helps you become friends with yourself and understand who you are and love yourself. जो basic, everything draws up to only one thing, self-love. That is what
Absolutely
I feel.
True.
It does.
Yes.
And
you start loving yourself, the world will start loving you. I swear. So yes, going to a therapist, it is not always about being sad and I want to see a therapist. It is not that way. It is just about your questions you have always in mind. All the answers, my friend, you will get to at your therapist. I have not stopped it. Like I am in touch with my therapist. We meet up like once in a month. She keeps on checking, and everything is all good. So it is still there, and I'm gonna continue hereafter. We all are at our homes for like 3 months, right?
Yeah.
And
straight.
suddenly, when the things get back to normal. It will take time, sorry, but again there would be a shift of situations wherein people would find hard to deal with. That time as well, you're gonna face issues, anxieties, going out and everything.
If अगर 10 लोग हैं ना friends में, I used to take all those 10 people and walk. And then with time I realized कि यार ये जो 10 लोग हैं, ये मेरा अच्छा चाहते ही नहीं है. Yeah, they are not the people who uplift. है ना? And then it's so difficult for considering both our natures, it's very difficult to say
I'll
no
tell you a
to them.
story with
Yeah, so say no to them and then agree and accept the fact कि ये लोग मेरे लिए अच्छे नहीं हैं. These are not the people who are going to uplift me. And then just go with the flow and then find people who are there for you and stick to them.
So in post engineering, I was working in a BPO. Okay. And I was already lagging behind from my peers, my friends. And when I say friends, these friends were like closest of all, like 7-8 years sort of. And I had to quit my job there because I was not happy with the job. First things first. I was having sciatica for my left leg, so there was a time where I couldn't even walk. I had to, I literally had to ask my friends to pick me up and get me to the doctor. And that time I have seen people change. Like they showed their back like so easy, and like on my face telling me that you are a failure. So what happened is they gave up on me clearly. And it was so clear that I went through a very bad phase. I used to call up my mom and cry for her. That was lowest level of depression phase which I had to face. And I wish nobody gets to that phase. It takes time. It is hard to believe on everyone out there. But then there would be circumstances where people would change your thoughts by being there for you, making you believe that they are kind to you and you deserve that kindness. Your timing of success, these things do not define you at all.
Yeah, and that is also one of the most important steps when it comes to considering your mental health. You should have the right kind of people around you, because अगर आधे toxic लोग हैं and they pull you down, you don't even realize कि half of your brain is functioning because they are putting you down.
Maintain the distance, and I think you'll be fine, because I think what the issue is that they are insecure about you. They are insecure about your qualities. They think you are a little bit steps ahead than that of you, and that is why they're trying to pull you down. And
very true.
Don't let them. I mean, these comments or these things, don't let them pull you down, or don't let them stop you from being who you are.
टॉक्सिक लोग हर इंसान के फ्रेंड सर्कल में होते हैं, तो मेक श्योर यू recognize them and cut ties with them, because that is going to affect you in the long run. And पहले कट ऑफ करने तकलीफ होगी, initially होगी, but do it for yourself.
So I also work with, there is this Matchbox page on Instagram wherein I am one of the content creators.
Yeah, so I'll link it in the description box. Abhi tum dhasu, and I love the entire layout of the page. I've told you that, na? The way they do
it's actually good. Even whenever I write something and they make something out of it, I actually send it to, tell the design team, oh my God, you have worked amazing on this.
Amazing.
So they're amazing.
Thank you, Yashi.
Thank you for having me.
Person who I just texted, he kar lega kya mere saath? He's like, count me in. And we have done it. Yay, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Honestly, if I tell you, मुझे ये series ना day 1 से start करनी थी when I started the channel, but I was not understanding how to do. This is a very new thing for me and I really need your help. मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से, श्री के पर्सपेक्टिव से आज हमने बात किया, बट ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी जो मैं टच बेस नहीं कर पाई हूँ, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन टच बेस ऑन इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. आई नीड ऑल योर फीडबैक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, लाइक प्रॉपर फीडबैक, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी हु इज़ वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार तुम अकेले नहीं हो, मैं इसके थ्रू जा रही हूँ. एवरी 15 days, every 10 days having a mental breakdown is not cool and I don't feel I want to go through this. And there's one thing that I've learned कि अगर family help ना करे, अगर friends help ना करे, अगर positive videos help ना करे मतलब if it's not working on you, you can opt for a therapist. A therapist is a doctor that takes care of your brain. The therapist is somebody who will actually make you understand why things are a certain way, make you friends with your own self, because that's the first step. When you start loving yourself, things become better, a much better place than it was before. तो यार after this conversation मैंने तो ये चीज़ सीखी है कि everything is curable. You just need to take that one step to make it curable and to not think twice before visiting a therapist if that's the need. अगले एपिसोड में आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ टच बेसिंग ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ सेल्फ लव बिकॉज आई फील दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी ऑल नीड. 99% of the people who think that they love themselves, but actually that's not self love but filled with self doubt. Let me know in the comment section if there's any other thing that you want to touch base on, because ये episodes तो चलते रहेंगे and your feedback is something that is going to make this entire series. It's actually a series where you and I talk together, and I do not pick up a celebrity or somebody, but just a friend who can share their experiences with you. And also, if you feel you are the one who wants to share their experience on this channel, please email me on yourinnerspark1@gmail.com. We can connect and have a conversation like we did just now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.